Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove this black boxes from desktop icon. Let's get started. First open this PC and right click on C drive and select properties. Here click on disk cleanup. Now check all boxes in here and click on OK. Here click on delete files. As you can see that the files are now deleting. These are just unnecessary junk files, so you don't have to worry about that. Now you will have to open Task Manager. Here look for Windows Explorer. Here it is. Right click on it and click on Restart. Yes, as you can see that the black boxes in the desktop icons are now removed. If you find this video informative, leave a thumbs up and let me know by commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.